Hello friends, this is my first YouTube video on Geophone on how to use the call blocking feature. So let's get started. But before I get started, please click the subscribe button and like, comment to get the latest updates of the upcoming smartphones. So let's get started. So first press the call button, then press the suppose I am going to block this phone. Okay, first I will go to contacts. Sorry, so I'm going to block this button. Okay, 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 this button. Edit call, send message, share, delete contacts, settings. Okay, there is no option in the call blocking option. So what to do? Suppose this Borun 9432105287 is continuously disturbing you and not leaving you, not disturbing you, not continuously disturbing you and not giving you time to talk or not giving your patient to walk. You're just irritated with this phone number. So first we will press star 401 star, then your mobile number which you want to block, 9432105287. Then we will press the call icon. I'm turning the external speaker that you can hear the what is now active on your number. Now the phone is blocked. Now how can you understand phone is blocked? Let's see. Let's pause the video. So then how do you know that the phone is blocked? How do you know that? So that's I'm telling you. Okay, let's first go to this is the phone. First the number is calling you. Number is 629014393933. I'm calling this number. This number is 9432105287. Okay, I'm calling this, and the phone is this number is 629015143399. And now what they say, I will call us. Incorrect. They will say variety of things. The incorrect, but actually the number is correct, but the number is blocked by the user. Now this is the trick. You can use it in any phone. Okay, then first go to how to unblock this number. First press star 402 and dial this number. Just like it. No number required. And now I'm turning the external speaker on, so you hear what is the saying. Okay, that is your. So now I will call from this 9432105287. Then let's see. That is successful, right? And I will see it is successful. Let's see, incoming. It's coming. Borundhar is coming. Now number phone is calling. He's I will turn the external speaker on. The So that's it. That's how you use the call blocking feature in any phone. If you block a landline phone, just dial *0402 star. That's the phone number you blocked. That number will be 10 units, and how to promote it? Just press 402 star 402 and call that number. That's how long. Thank you friends. Like and subscribe this video.